Each day we can also go ahead with few MCQs. So starting with today one, it is agent of owner or occupier for whose benefit a riot is committed, not using all lawful means to prevent. We should find from which IPC section. Okay, agent of owner or occupier for whose benefit a riot is committed, not using all lawful means to prevent it, is dealt under section 156 of IPC. Okay, it is 156 IPC. Immutation, assertion prejudicial to national integration is dealt under immutation, assertions prejudicial to national integration is dealt under section 153B of IPC. 153B IPC. Wantonly giving provocation with intent to cause riot. If rioting be committed is dealt under, it is 153 of IPC. So 153, giving provocation with intent to cause riot. When it is against prejudicial to the national integration, it is 153B. When agent of owner or occupier for whose benefit such a riot is committed, means it is 156. So 153, 153B and 156. Three IPC sections we have learnt in this MCQ session. So when just loading with the notes, we can go ahead with see this type of MCQs. It will be really little ease to go ahead, and we can also relax ourselves. No, at the time we will be concentrating about the IPC sections. Okay, by this way we are going ahead with a few MCQs also daily basis. So now we can look upon some of the previous year MCQ questions of the Indian Judicial Service examinations. It may be from any states of India, but these were all the important questions or previous year question papers. Okay, just first is, it is an assertion that the Constitution of India provides for the appointment of a governor for a period of 5 years. So, and they have given the reason is the governor holds office during the pleasure of the president. So the assertion is the Constitution of India provides for the appointment of a governor for a period of 5 years. The governor, and the reason is the governor holds office during the pleasure of the president. This is the question. So the choices are given whether the A and assertion and the reason are true, or either it is false, or either the assertion is correct and the reason is wrong. These were the question, and the answer remains both assertion and reason are correct. So from this we get a point. The Constitution of India provides for the appointment of the governor for the period of 5 years. So the governor's period of office is 5 years, and he holds office during the pleasure of the president. Next, the assertion is the Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year in the country. The reason, the Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. So this is the reason given. So as usual, the four options will be both are correct, both are wrong, or one is correct and the reason is correct, or the assertion is correct and the reason is wrong, such. So the answer remains both are either correct or wrong, or either one of us correct. That we need to find. Here the question is, the Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year in the country. So it is true. So everyone is very clear that the assertion is correct. What they have given the reason is the Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. So it is also the correct explanation of A. So here both assertion and the reason is correct. So we are getting one more MCQ from this particular question. What it is? The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. So next question is from CPC. Which of the following deals with execution of degree passed by courts in reciprocating territory in the Code of Civil Procedure? So actually we have to, I have a separate video for our CPC sections and orders. So here just we are taking into consideration few MCQs along with each day's content. So it will be useful for you to remember easily the points. So in that case, here the third is the execution of degrees passed by court in reciprocating territory in the Code of Civil Procedure is section 44A. Okay, 44A is execution of degree passed by court in reciprocating the territory. So next, as we here had the MCQ from CPC, we can have one more thing. Very simple. Okay, the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 became operative form in when? When did the code CPC got its operative? Became operative. It is 1st January 1909. These questions, these types of date and year, we should be very clear. Easily we can acquire mark in these things. So we should not lose in learning all these dates. So the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 became operative from 1st January 1909. So one more from CPC. The institution of suits in the Code of Civil Procedure. It is very easy, no? Everyone will be knowing. The institution of suits in Civil Procedure Code is section 26. Institution of suit means 26, you should remember. is institution of suit, and CPC, one more point what we learned, when it came operative, CPC came operative 1st January 1909. And one more thing which we learned, the execution of degree passed by the court in reciprocating the territory is section 44A. Execution of degree passed by courts in reciprocating the territory is 44A. Institution 26. Okay, institution is 26. Court or any session judge calls for to examine the record of any proceedings before any inferior criminal court. It is known as reference, review, revision. What among this choice? The answer is revision. The question is, when the High Court or any sessions judge calls for to examine the record of any proceedings before any inferior criminal court, it is the answer is revision. A report of person arrested without warrant shall be given by the officer in charge of police station to when a report of person arrested without warrant shall be given by the officer in charge of police station to, the report should be handed over to the which person? Either the district magistrate or only to subdivisional magistrate or the JM1 first class, or either of the district magistrate or subdivisional magistrate. The question, I shall repeat the question once. A report of person arrested without warrant shall be given by the officer in charge of police station to either to the district magistrate or subdivisional magistrate. The answer is either to the district magistrate or subdivisional magistrate. When a search is required to be conducted outside India, a criminal court may, under section 166A of CRPC, issue what it issues. That is the question. When a search is required to be conducted outside India, a criminal court may, under section 166A of the CRPC, issue either a search warrant or letter of requisition or letter of request or just a written order. So the option answer is the letter of request. When a search is required to be conducted outside India, a court may, under section 166A of the CRPC, issue a letter of request. So a report of person arrested without warrant shall be given by the officer in charge of police station to either to the district magistrate or to the subdivisional magistrate. When the High Court or any sessions judge calls for to examine the record of any proceedings before any inferior court, it is revision. Okay. Okay. When was the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act came into force? The Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act came into force in 1st April. It is 2010. In 2010, 1st April, the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act came into force. 1st April 2010. The Financial Commission, as laid down in Article 280 of the Constitution, is constituted by. The Finance Commission, as laid down in Article 280 of the Constitution, is constituted by either Prime Minister or the President or a CJM or Parliament. It is President of India. So the Finance Commission, as laid down by Article 280 of Constitution, is constituted by the President of India. Who presides over the Lok Sabha in the absence of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker? Who presides over the Lok Sabha in the absence of Speaker and the Deputy Speaker? So the options were the leaders of the opposition or the senior most member or a member of the six members panel determined by the Speaker or the Secretary of the State or Secretary of the Lok Sabha session. So who presides over the Lok Sabha in the absence of the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker is a member of the 6 members panel determined by the Speaker. A member of the 6 members panel determined by the Speaker. So these were all a few MCQs for judicial exam preparation. Hi, this is a new way to reach the learning of law for preparing civil judge examinations. I hope this will be much useful to all the aspirants who are trying to clear the preliminary examinations and then go ahead with the main exam preparations and interview. Hope so. This will bring this will be informative to you all and will help you in your preparation. And in our channel, we will be trying to upload as many as videos to help you in your preparation. So keep following us, subscribe, and leave your comment for the betterment of the channel. Thank you.